Who dey where UK family show dey? Abeg call her come. Don tender her matter for my table. UK, you are a family now. UK, you are no matter what, no matter those children, they are your children. Those children, you bath them. Those children, you do omugo with them. You bath them. I believe say first what enter those children body na you. Now you dey lay cogs. You remember say you be mother. You be mother. No matter what. Those commenter, me one just start which day for year. If I tell you comment one they receive, one who trace and reach say she even get China. She'll just come my comment. She'll just dey talk anyhow. She not go her China go sit down. I'll just look her. I say, well, me, I'll use and do content. I'm a content creator. She don't know say she na content creator. Talk of if na even fake account. Edit even use them for you. You know say na edit get those fake account. Why can't you still use your own fake account to talk to her? Yes. When you claim say na your sister, na editorial, na she they use fake account till they talk to you. Why can't you use your fake account? Because I know say you still know fake account. Why you using your real account? Because she dey fear you if na real editorial. She dey fear you. That is why she use fake account. Or she dey fear wetin people want talk. You know, there's some people there, they go hide. They go, they trigger your anger. They know say you be person when they go just light matches for your body, you just the fire. When you see say na something like that, it happen, then you will see hide under the comment section. How you would tell no say na I did? As me just dey here now. Since one do this matter, just fly for table. Me, I want go bath. I want do this. I want put now that I want take get today. Say I get. Me no fit say I not get. Say I'll come go the user. Wait, me don't use my real face till right finish. Now you just open your eye, open your channel name. You use and bully your sister children. Say now something. Children when you don't buy gift for. Children when you don't cook for. Children when you call on your own. That one too action now assist. No, that one too action. You don't say I say, man, if you don't big for this street, not wait till you write. Because people like us, our eye, they your body. Talk of you and your sister, now they quarrel. You just put editorial. I know say now you. How you would for me now? I want to ask you question, UK. If you come across this my YouTube, how you tell who get those accounts? Because if editorial get those accounts, it go they have phone. Editorial can't post her phone, can't give you for Lagos. I beg you, me not come for me. Oh, all the fighter, the commenters. Some commenters now they really they cause problem. No be person go ask me say where is Lizzie? Where I'll call say na you UK. I been I stay editorial. See they ask me say where is Lizzie? Where Lizzie dey? Madam. Imagine a person they ask you now you say na editorial. Some commenters they comment as they just feel, as they just some people not they think before they do something. Some people not just they put person for their own shoe before they react. At least for me, you for not go that extent of insulting your sister children. I know say nothing hunger not fit do. Meanwhile they will see they talk so. I know say nothing hunger not fit do. May God not let our hunger disgrace us for outside. Yet person when get anger. I understand. Person when get anger. Don't let your anger. Don't let your anger disgrace you for market you. You know even know people when get anger, when get temper. If you don't know, forget about it. I really vex for you, my beautiful sister, UK family. You for not insult your sister children. Yes, editorial come outside say, thank God, oh, people, when they surround my table, they don't pack. For me, I understand, say now, you have I'll do video about I say, I beg you, you not carry no matter. Okay, you see shade your sister for your video about help, treat your help well. You when you talk, say, treat your help well. You never feel treat your sister children well. Now your help, you, my sister, UK, now you are the talk to so. You make a video about treat your sister, treat your help well. Your own sister children, you are insulting them because of your sister bully you. I know say na anger. You know say what you don't come out for social media. Maybe you know me now. My parable say, "Bovi me efu nori beat my pikin na mouth. You know who reach your belly." You understand? Beat her, maybe if you by mistake beat her, you injure and you go see the mothers you take. But because of say it don't come out for social media, Maybe you not read me now, but as you put am for social media, our niche, our channel niche. eh? You know that temper, I beg, if you be type when get temper, dey pray oh, me I see dey pray oh, may we dey always dey pray. May our temper not go disgrace us for market. May e no go disgrace us. Because I no fit say if UK see those children wan chook am for inside hot water, e go dey look dem, e go rush dem. But na temper, temper, e for no go that extent. Say na because her sister shade am, she shade her sister too. When she say treat your house help well. When I watch the video, I say na this one na your sister you dey talk to. Yes, it's good to treat everybody right when dey with you. Everybody right. Treat them right. Treat them well, because you don't know tomorrow. Those people when they fetch soup for today, by tomorrow they will be the one fetching soup for. For that, it's good to treat everybody right, because you don't know tomorrow. You don't know. You understand? When you come say now your sister get all those ninjas. Ninja, that's all those many things when you account, when you break come out. Editorial, I don't first ask you just that. Is send her phone to you? Because my phone there with you now, your own there with you. How you can't, I mean, you don't screenshot and keep. You don't they wait the day when she go insult you, or you can't disgrace her with this account. Because editorial, when you don't vote big, wait till they use ninja, they do. Me, I don't understand. I beg, my sister, I know say you don't delete those comments. Good as you delete them, okay? It good. For me, I know say na temper. Person they say beat am for me. Correct am my pikin. E no dey reach mind. I see all my women, all my ladies, the thing vex you now. Yes, it really good to vex, because if you are a mother, you don't go labor room, come outside. You see person they insult another person children, or they maltreat another person children. This is how we supposed to react. Mother they say beat that my pikin for me. If you beat that pikin, forget if you injure am, she go hold you responsible. You understand? But UK too go far to insult people, her sister children, because wetin they put for writing and wetin you talk. Me, I no wan read am more. I feel they that is the display and me una read about una self. I wan just tell my sister UK, I beg this matter, drop am. I beg. Wetin I talk. Person like you, body dey pepper you. I look you like a learned person when get sense. You understand? I look you like that, but person like that, once you vex, you know wetin you dey do finish. Because if you really dey bold, those comments you for not delete am, but you can't realize quickly delete am, but screenshot it already carry on. You see? Wetin I go tell you, editorial help you no matter what. You coming to social media, editorial make us know you. For only that, no matter wetin she do you, ignore her, throw away her matter, start your fresh life. You see editorial and her mom, as I tell say dem, they not create enmity wait for una. Why una wan create enmity wait for una children, una innocent children when they come now? Imagine as you insult this your sister children now. Tomorrow, as my sister Vicky talk just now, say internet never forget, and internet not dey really forget. Let's learn. Let us collect sense. I beg. You don already say you fight for person. The person don already everything success don come out. Drop this matter, so that may dem no dey throw mouth give you. If editorial even use parable, leave am. Okay, na be my own. I no come here. I know say na vex make you do one normal day. If you say editorial pikin want no, you go rescue her. And you editorial, please may una let this matter. If na still bring am, me as I still do this one, I'll still sit down talk my own. But may una let this matter. Now una mama, now una dey use am dey hurt, because UK mother and your mother no dey see all those things now. You understand? Maybe editorial mom you come and say, you know they see wetin UK they talk. You know fit control your UK mama will say, what of it? You see, quarrel wan start. I beg, because of una mother, because of una mother, that love, that bond wey I see, may una not let am die. I use God beg you. Ekeme UK family show, I use God beg you. Okay, drop this matter. Let this matter die down. Mazi come outside normal, we know say na that one na niche, how to advise people, how to talk. You dey do vlog, but now you don carry and join your own video, how to treat your house help well, how to husband and wife. For me, I no still talk about, na you know wetin you wan do. But if the person comment in the comment section, no mention your sister name Editorial. E can be say na Editorial, e can still be say no be Editorial. But how you even take get this account? For me, I want make you go clear the hair. Editorial post the phone can't give you, or you don't screenshot this ninjas down. A case quarrel come, you go use am disgrace am for the street. Let me know, because I know on that be na Editorial husband screenshot am for you. I be Editorial new help na screenshot am for you. Me, I want know how it take reach your hand, because ninjas when Editorial take comment for her own house, I be na you get am, you can't use am comment, you can't dey insult Editorial say na she where you for enter Editorial body. Me na peace I take come o. I not come with anger, I not come with quarrel. Peace and joy na I break come. Whether na you get the account, because the thing confuse me for that. You can't use am by comment, then you can't see insult. I no know, because person when dey Abuja and person when dey Lagos, how you take get the ninjas? My people, I hands up o. I'll meet you now in my next video. Do well to comment wisely, I beg. My commenters, our commenters, I beg, una dey comment now. Many of una be mothers, brothers, sisters. Imagine person, una brother, una sister dey quarrel like this, and another person dey put, how you go do una? I beg. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Do well to give me thumbs up. Una no dey carry my thumbs up dey go. Give me thumbs up, okay? Any cause when UK talk to those children no dey sick. We the mothers, we the online mothers, we withdraw am back to the sender. Yes, because me, I'm a mom. Many people there, we are a mom. We fact back to the sender. Any evil cause, near any of Editorial children, any UK children. Our see, affect our children. Our father, our mother see, go affect us. Talk of now wetin I get to talk, my people. Me, I live una UK. I beg, go touch oil, put am for inside your tongue. Make that your hot temper make come down. Drink water, drink honey, everything drink am. Make that your temper come down. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Ciao.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.